Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying compatibility and picking the right tag. N-tag 213 for short URLs, N-tag 215 for more data, N-tag 216 for maximum storage. Once done, enable NFC on your phone and open your chosen app. Make sure to grant permissions so the app can access the reader hardware. Tap the blank sticker to confirm it responds and shows UID. Now create a new record, URL, text, or a custom NDEF, so you're ready to write. This initial confirmation prevents write errors and saves time. Once the NDEF is ready, choose the exact record type. A URI launches a website, MIME triggers an app, and text is universal. You then paste or type the payload, check the app's size indicator against the tag's capacity, and trim if necessary. Position the sticker on the reader coil and press write. Keep your device steady until the app confirms success. If you need persistence, configure password protection or permanently lock specific blocks. But note that permanent locks are irreversible. You finish by immediately reading the tag to verify the exact content and then testing the expected behavior on a target device. This confirms both write integrity and real-world function. If you use protection, test unlocking and rewriting with the password. Deploy the sticker on clean, dry surfaces and align it over the intended spot so readers can reliably detect it. If something goes wrong, retry writing with better alignment, swap the tag, and confirm your phone's NFC is not in power.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.